So this one's really geared towards the new users, and I like to start out showing everyone how do you get the software. So if you go out to kclcad.com, go to Access KCL, and you want to download the KCL BIMCAD Designer application. If you're brand new, there are quick start instructions you could read and review. If you're looking to update your software or install it, you run the wizard. The KCL installer, if you're new, it will show install. In my case, I see modify. It will automatically detect what versions of full Revit you have, give you some options. If you don't want to install for certain versions, you can uncheck it. We recommend choosing current user, makes updates a lot easier. And then location will be up to you, and you'll accept and continue on.